Buddy, what are you doing, babies? Do you want to show what you did? This is Buddy's disastrous thing she did on the door. Shoot it off. I just finished cleaning my bird room and their cages. Took me about 4 hours. It was really messy. I hosed them down. I took them all the cages. I took them outside in the patio and hosed them down and washed them very, very well. So they have nice, clean cages. And I changed their toys around and got them new toys. And here it is. Well, Taz is not here right now. Taz is with Tioli. They love sharing things. Taz has treats and food and toys and everything, but likes to share. Tioli likes to share with Taz. What are you doing? You have your own food. Hello. Before they were sharing treats together. It was so cute. What you doing, babies? So I have to clean this area right now. But I'm a little tired, so maybe I'll do this tomorrow. So yeah, just showing you a little bit. That's my old Quaker cookie. My baby. Looked almost like Taz, but never will replace him. Replace her, because she was Cookie. What, baby? Yeah. Where are you? There you are. She's acting like a baby right now. She wants mommy's attention, don't ya? You want mommy's attention? Yeah? Do you want to come to mama? You come on, mama. Up, up. Good girl. Oi, there you go. Mwah. I'm gonna go eat now. Yeah, I love you. And I need to go take a shower because I stink right now. I'm full of feathers and fluffs and dander, bird dander, and all the above. So I need a nice refreshing. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.